Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको सबको बताया था कि अपना टाइम बेस्ट वे में यूटिलाइज़ करना, पॉजिटिव रहना, अच्छी अच्छी बातें करना और बेस्ट वे यही है कि कुछ ना कुछ नया नया लर्न करना, क्रिएटिविटी करना। इसके साथ साथ में अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करना, हेल्प करना, सबको अपनी अपनी रीत से कुछ ना कुछ अपनी फैमिली को कंट्रीब्यूट करना, ये सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखना। और अभी हम इस वीडियो में नेक्स्ट सिलेबस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। इन लास्ट वीडियो वी हैड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड द मैनेजमेंट पार्ट, मॉड्यूल 1 and module 2. Now in this video we will discuss the subject commerce 3 semester 3 management part, in that some module 3 and module 4. So first we will discuss about the module 3. Okay, in module 3 organizing is the first lesson in module 3. In this lesson we will learn the steps of organizing and organization structures. In structure we will learn the whole structure of organization, and then we will learn the types of different types of organization. In that, first type is line and staff organization. In line and staff organization we will learn the features of line and staff organization. Then second, another part is the matrix organization. In matrix organization we will learn the features of matrix organization. Then another types is virtual organization. In virtual organization again we will learn the features of virtual organization. Then formal and informal organization. Same way, in formal and informal organization we will learn the features, and we will also learn the distinguish between formal and informal organization. This is the lesson number 3, organizing. Now the lesson number 3.2, that is departmentation. Okay, in that departmentation first we will learn the concept, that is the meaning and definition and all. Then we will learn the basis is one type of structure. Okay, departmentation. Then span of management, this is also one way of different management. Then factors influencing span of management. In that factors influencing span of management, this is the part of span of management. Okay, now tall and flat organization, this is one also another types of organization, that is tall and flat organization. So we will discuss that tall and flat organization in departmentation. Next, in the third module 3.3, that is lesson number 3 of module number 3, that is the name of lesson is delegation of authority. It is very easy and very interesting lesson. Delegation of authority, in that we will learn the process. Then after we will learn the barriers to delegation. Delegate means to give the work to people or to employees, means to delegate the work, to delegate the authority. So process, how to delegate the authority. Then barriers, so various problems created to delegate the authority, that we will learn. Then principles of effective delegation. In organization, if you want effective delegation, then there are various principles. That principle we will learn in this, that is the principles of effective delegation. Then next part of this delegation of authority, in that is decentralization. In decentralization we will learn the factors influencing decentralization. Decentralization is one part of delegation. Okay, now in centralization and decentralization again we will learn. Then in that we will learn the distinguish between centralization and decentralization. Okay, so this is the delegation of authority. This lesson is very easy. Now the module number 3 is over here. Now the next module and the last module of this semester and the part of management is module number 4. The name of module is directing and controlling. This module divided into two parts, that is one is directing and another is controlling. So first we will see the directing part. In the directing part, first lesson is motivation. Okay, in see, motivation is most important concept. We had already learned in FY also. Now in SY BCom we will learn more about motivation. हमेशा दूसरों को मोटिवेट करते रहना चाहिए, कोई किसी को डीमोटिवेट नहीं करेगा. ओके, दिस इज़ द मेन एम ऑफ दिस लेसन, to motivate the people in organization or in anywhere. Okay, now in this lesson concept we will learn the concept of motivation, then importance of motivation, then influencing factors of motivation, then again we will learn the importance of communications, barriers to effective communications. Again I am going to tell you one thing, in FY BCom you had already learned the communication part in BC. So here is also same part, it is related to business, so it is very easy for you. So in this lesson we will learn the communication part, importance and barriers. Okay, now the module number 4, lesson number 2, that is leadership. Students, leadership is very interesting lessons and very effective lessons for our life also. Okay, so in leadership we will learn the concept, that is meaning and definitions and all. Then in leadership we will learn the functions of leadership, various functions of leadership. Then we will learn the different styles of leaderships. There are various styles of leadership that we will learn in this lesson. And then we will learn the qualities of a good leader. जैसे कि कोई एक लीडर होता है तो उसमें क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए, तो इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. So that we will learn in this concept, that is qualities of a good leader. Now next is the controlling. Next and last lesson of this module is controlling, second part of this module. Okay, in controlling we will learn first, that is concept, that is the whole meanings and definitions. Then we will learn the steps of controlling, how to control the business, how to control the management, all these things are included. Essentials of a good control system, how you will control the control your business, and how you will control your job and yourself. Okay, then techniques of controlling, in that we will learn there are 4 techniques. First is PERT, then CPM, then budgetary control and management audit. Okay, these 4 technique we will learn. This is very important techniques in this lesson. So students, these are 4 modules and this is our syllabus of management com 3. In this syllabus we will learn more and more entertaining things, more and more stories and all. Okay, don't worry, this is very easy part, management is very easy part. In that we will also discuss various different charts and different videos and all things. Okay, uh, you can write all this syllabus for your reference also. I will give you another PPT for your reference also. Okay, so students, let's in next video we will start our syllabus and we will try to teach more and more in via video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.